Hey everyone, this is Christine. Welcome to this tutorial. So on this video, you're going to see how to move a file or a folder and how to rename it as well. Now I will show you two ways to move a file or a folder. There's a short way and a long way. So first thing we have to do is locate the file that you want to move. Let's say I want to move this file and I want to move it to this folder, VA's work submission. Now, right now, it is under this drive. I would suggest that you expand this folder so you can have a view of the path or the destination. So what you see here on top is the file path. So it means that it is under this mother folder, okay? So to show you the long way, you select the file that you want to move, you right click and click move on the options, and you click back arrow until you find the destination that you want to move it to. So now I am under shared drives, which is this, which have two drives underneath, and I actually want to move it under admin. So click on this arrow to go to for admin folder and select the folder where you want to move it to and click move here. Now, let's pretend that you want to add another folder here where you want to place your files. You have the option to create a new folder. So let's do that. Click new folder, rename the folder, click check to create that folder, and now you can move it. And move. And now it's gone from here. Let's go to that destination where we moved it. So you can see we moved it to admin, VA, and under Google Task. And there it is. This is the folder that we created and the file is there. Now let me show you how to do it the short way. This is how I normally do it. I don't go those long way right clicking. So, but before I do the short way, I have to expand my folders so I could see the destination where I want to move it. I have to make sure that the folder where I want to move it to is open and it's showing. Let's pretend I want to move it here now. I would click and hold my mouse left button, and then I would simply drag it to that folder and click move. And that's it. That's much easier, isn't it? Now I can do the same thing if I want to move the whole folder. Let's pretend I want to move this Google Task folder. So I'm going to go here and take this whole folder and drag it to where I want to move it. Let's pretend I want to move it here. And click move. And it's gone, and now it's over here. So you could just click that and there it is. So that's how you move a file or a folder, short way and the long way. That's it.